Good afternoon, 6th of November 2017, and I'm here. Today is my 199th video. And, right a day before 200 video, I started my journey on 10th of January. And here I am, traveling miles, like if you look into, now I'm so confidently making my video, but when I started, it was on a very, very shaky grounds. But I think you all have supported me, you all have, appreciated my work, and that is what has motivated me to work every single day harder and even harder. Okay, so really, really thank you all. There are 4,000 members on my Telegram channel and 6,000 members, 6,000 plus members here, and about roughly 800 something members on my Hindi channel. It gives a great pleasure to me. It gives a real immense satisfaction that I could travel this distance along with you all. So wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm planning a surprise for you people, and I will show you my setup. I will show you how I work. It may be a bit longer video, and who are the people behind the scenes who are working for you, and that is what I'll be talking to you tomorrow, and a bit of Nifty analysis if we get time. But okay, so this is Nifty, so Nifty is looking very, very promising to me. It's crossed even futures. In futures it has crossed 10,500, right? And can you see this bend, which looks very promising, very, very promising to me. Like this shows me that Nifty definitely plans to go up, right? It looks to me as if it is heading up. Okay, and now how do I say it with confidence? So I'll take you to the Nifty's data, the option change of Nifty. Like I want to show you a few minutes back when I opened it up, it had 3,74,000 calls writing over here, and the put side 10,400 had maximum open interest, which is 39,28,000, and on the call side the maximum open interest was in 10,500, which is 34,31,000. Okay, and the call writing is happening here and the put writing was happening here. That means the upper boundary is 10,500. Where is Nifty right now? 10,453. And the low, like how much, what will be the range of Nifty? So lower side it will be 10,400, and on upper side it will be 10,500 in the cash market. That is what I can see from here. Now let me refresh and see now what's happening. Has it changed some bit? So let's see. So there is not much of change. It's 34,32,000 only. The call writing is 3,75,000, and exactly put writing has increased, right? Put writing has increased means there is no way Nifty is going below 10,400. Okay, so this is very, very, like if I look into today, that is what it tells me, that Nifty looks absolutely solid to me, absolutely heading up. Okay, lifetime high. Just a sec, we'll go to its cash also. Cash is also at 10,471, which looks very, very promising and very, very, nice to me, very nicely uptrending, very nicely uptrending to me. So anyway, this is Nifty, and today I want to show you the huge breakout that has come into flips carbon. Like if you want to master just one trade, like 1 or 2, 3 stocks. I know one member, let me check his name. He keeps sending me messages that I have traded in, I think his name is Umesh, if I remember correctly. So he keeps sending me his text that he has traded in, flips carbon, and he keeps writing that I have booked, and today he has booked huge Umesh Prasad. So he is an expert of trading in flips carbon. And I think somebody in my webinar also wrote me yesterday that, ma'am, please look into flips carbon. It's about to have a breakout. And see, it had a breakout today. So all of you are, it gives me great pleasure to see that all of you are becoming expert of, a few stocks. As it says now, be the master of one rather than jack of all. So if you mastered flips carbon, enjoy. When the opportunity comes, put your all money. and reap the benefit. You know, like starting from here, today itself, it has given to you 920 to good 60 points. So if you buy 100 shares, 6,000 rupees you get straight away, right? It's so this is the kind of breakout you get in these stocks. And of course, many members have enjoyed the breakout in, you know, the Graphite India, and then in HEG, they are just having this beautiful run up, right? See this beautiful run up every single day. It's just heading up. There is no looking back in this particular stock, HEG and Graphite India, right? So identify, and I'm really happy that we started with our webinar yesterday. Today we have good, very huge strength of first time I had such a big number of members joining in, and feeling very fortunate and happy that so many people trust me, and I definitely would do my best to teach them and educate them about it. And I'm really feeling good also that you know, somewhere I'm changing people's perception about the stock market. Because, you know, other day I was discussing with my, you know, with Prabhu, I was saying that it's so easy to give tip. You know, you just send one text message that buy this or sell this. But when it comes to teaching, you know, it is actually very painstaking. You have to, you know, you have to really ensure that the people whom you're teaching understand, right? So that is what I'm saying. It is not easy for us to, you know, teach, but still I'm committed to teaching. Still I'm committed to teaching, you know, and that is why, you know, doesn't matter even if it entails a bit of pain. It's okay. It's okay to us, you know, we don't care about it. So what I'm saying here, but at the same time, it is very satisfying to see people becoming capable, to see people becoming powerful, to see people giving correct trades, and that gives me immense pleasure. So in my webinar, 9 members have been writing about Graphite India breakout, and now they clearly dictate where is the breakout coming, right? See the beautiful run up HEG has taken up. Okay, but I am telling you at this point of time, as I've been telling again and again, be extremely careful. Hold your, you know, positions with good tight stop losses. I don't think so you should take a liberty to leave your positions unattended, because anything may happen anytime, right? You have to be ready for all eventualities. So holding your positions with tight stop losses is what you need to do. And now the breakout has come in Nifty in 1 hour, and that to be in the upward direction. So, I mean, only thing that I want to tell you here is, okay, let me just explain you one more thing. I'm going to, on the Google, I'm going to write FII-DII activity. FII and DII activity. And I will take you to money control, right? And I want to show you here on 3rd of November, FI has sold 9,690 crores and DI has bought only 33 crores. Means DIs have done 30 times more selling than the DIs have bought, right? Usually the range is almost same when FIs buy, DIs buy, sell on the same order. You see here for the month of October, entire selling of FI is 7,826. Whereas in one day they have sold this much, right? But you did not see its reflection in the market. Reason for that is they did not do the selling in the Nifty stocks, right? So you are not being able to see it in the market, but somewhere the market is becoming hollow. So the day, you know, they pull the plug, Nifty will fall. So remain alert. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Normally the order of buying and selling is same. So FI in August sold so much, DI bought almost the same amount. In September, FI sold, DI bought. In October, FI sold, DI bought, but in the same order. So if the order is different, means if this is 30 times higher selling, means somewhere something is cooking up. Be alert about it. Be careful about it. Just hold your position tightly. Just don't expose more than what you can. You know, don't expose your higher positions right now. Sit tight. or maybe stand out of the market, look for good shorting opportunity. For us, we shorted in Coal India, right? See the beautiful downward trend that it's having. We are also, bearish in HCL Technologies. A little bit reverse has come today, but I'm particularly me, I'm bearish on it. Then today in the morning, even all these metal stocks were not doing good. They had a good fall, but now they are kind of bouncing back, and they will do exactly the same way as Nifty will behave. So if the Nifty is going to go up, these stocks will also go up. So that is something we know about. Okay, so but what I do when the Nifty is such a, I'm suggesting you all that when Nifty is such a peak, lifetime high after lifetime high, if not this week, next week, or next to next week, someday it will correct. Keep some stocks ready for shorting, and that day you will mint money. That day you will really mint money. So keep ready, be ready. Like a wise person is always proactive. A wise person is always ready for things which are lying ahead, right? You're always prepared. So be prepared, reduce your positions, and be ready for shorting opportunity. And believe me, the best trades are shorting trades. Best trades. When you see the good, the fall takes very fast. The rise of a stock takes slow, gradual steps, but the fall takes just no time, right? So be ready to reap benefit, because as I told you, market looks exorbitantly high to me. So let's not take chances. Let's not take, expose our more capital. Hold your capital, so that when the market is available on a lower price, you should be able to enter again. Okay. So guys, wait for my tomorrow's video. I'm also waiting to make it for you all. And really thank you all for trusting me for the webinar. And now my next webinar, if you want to join this webinar, you have to join today itself, or maximum by tomorrow morning, because after that we are not taking, because we just left with few seats, maybe 10 or odd position, places are left. So if you want to join, today is the last day. Otherwise, we will be now having our next webinar in December. Nothing before that. So you have a last chance to join. And today I have created my position in Coal India. I'm on the sell side, and also in the sale, I'm on sell side, right? I'm feeling that it is experiencing resistance, and I am expecting a quick downfall soon, like in few minutes or half an hour, 1 hour, it should be giving me good profit. That's what I believe. See, it's narrowing down, right? If Nifty doesn't drastically go up, this stock will fall. Similarly, I'm saying about Coal India, right? Similarly, and another stock looks weak to me is Idea, right? But we'll see, because it is experiencing a resistance. Let me see it 15 minutes. So yeah, it looks to be in experiencing a resistance. So let's see how it goes. And most of all, I'm saying be very cautious of Nifty. Whatever you want to do it intraday. Don't carry it forward. Don't do it. Oh my God, Ramkey. Look at Ramkey today. 190.5, good 100%. It's doubled your money. Doubled your money in 1 month, right? You want to know such kind of stocks. You want to know how we select this. How do we double our money in 1 month? You have to join our webinar, right? You have to understand market, starting from very, very basics to, this level where you can find out such stocks which are on the breakout. You will have to join the webinar. There is no other way. One more thing I quickly want to tell you, that the crude is on a high again. Yeah, you can see the crude is heading up. So the reflection, I'm not saying that it is, absolutely it will happen like that. I can see a bit of weakness in Indigo, and I can feel that Jet is also not going up because of that. Jet is also not going up. But one more thing that I can tell you about crude. Crude, I believe, is on the verge of having a bit of correction. Will be soon having a correction. I'm expecting that. I'm expecting that from crude, that it may experience some kind of a correction. So if crude goes through a bit of correction, then of course these stocks will be experiencing some upward momentum in them, right? I mean, that's why that's what I can feel, that these stocks are right now little in downtrend, although the jet is going up and up only. But in case crude have a bit of correction, then these stocks will give you good profit if you buy them, right? So keep these pairs in your mind. Some of the pairs I can tell you: tin and Hinton, right? Zinc and Hinzinc. And then you have crude oil and all the aviation stocks. So the benefit of these pairs is that you can know about them from the international market, what's going on. From a day before, how's the trend of crude. If crude is going up, this aviation stock may correct a little bit if it's really, really going up, right? And similarly, you have the copper, you have the zinc, you have all other metals here. You can check from there. If the prices are going up, you can definitely look for. So you can definitely look for for example, you have copper over here, then you have various other you have gold over here. This is GCI platform. So gold is experiencing a resistance in 1-day graph. Gold is going down. So this platform is something that you can definitely have. And the beauty of this is that because crude is an international commodity, its complete picture by looking into this graph. And then whatever is happening in the Indian market, you can take your call whether you would like to create a buy position or you want to create a sell position, right? So these are support systems. Like whenever you have a support system, it basically is it's double confirmation of a stock, whether it's going to go up or it's going to go down. Fine. So I'm going to be signing off with this, but as I'm telling you, today is the last day to enroll for my webinar. After that, you will have to wait for 1 month, right? And those who want to wait for 1 month, I want to request you, if you don't have a credit card, please apply for it. By next webinar, we'll also have HDFC Bank. We'll have all the banks that you would like to have for EMI option. And if you want to pay by credit card, if you don't have capital, generate some capital. Keep it in your account and be ready so that you learn and earn together. And we promise you that you will, whatever investment you will do, we will ensure that you return it, you get it back. Okay. So with this, I'm signing off. See you tomorrow, my 200th video. I'm looking forward. Good day. Bye-bye. And today is the last day for webinar. If you want to join, go ahead. If you need any help, just text me on WhatsApp. We will give you, we will be able to help you out with EMI options, etc., whatever you need help in. Right? Bye-bye. Good day. See you tomorrow.